In this video, I will demonstrate the Russian lace bind-off. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you here. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get a notice each time I go live or post a new video. The Russian lace bind-off, also known as a knit two together or a purl two together bind-off, is a great bind-off for working lace because it adds a good amount of stretch to the bind-off edge and allows a piece of lace that needs to be blocked to stretch a good bit along that edge. To work this bind-off, on the knit side, using knit stitches, you will knit two together through the back loops, pull a stitch up, drop those, slip that stitch back, and repeat. Knit two together through the back loop, pull that stitch up, slip it back. That is all there is to it. Like so. You will often find patterns calling for this to be worked with a doubled length of yarn as the bind-off edge, especially when you're using cobweb lace or much thinner yarn. That just adds a little bit of definition to the bind-off edge and sturdiness at the same time. So it looks just like the basic bind-off, but it has a good bit more stretch. A variation on this that you can work with the right side presenting is to work a purl two together. And slip the stitch back and purl two together. Slip the stitch back, purl two together. This can add a more decorative edge to lace patterns. I'll show you in a second what this looks like. Can be a bit smoother to work because as you slip that back, you just need to insert into the next stitch purlwise. So it creates a slightly different look, a more decorative. So when there's a lace here, it can be a little bit more of a decorative edge, still very stretchy. So from the wrong side, you can see it still makes that chain like a basic bind-off. But now from the right side, there's these little purl beads, and it's still pretty stretchy. I would still advise going up a needle size if you want to make extra sure that your lace edge is super stretchy. So here it is with the knit two together through the back loops. And here it is with the purl two togethers. So that was the Russian lace bind-off. Have you used this bind-off before? Let me know in the comments below. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.